How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. So if you want to delete all of your reposts on TikTok at once, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. And let me tell you one thing, that it's not possible to delete all of your reposts on TikTok at once. We don't have that option. But what you can do is just go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down, tap on report a problem. Now scroll down again and tap on chat with us. And here you can send a message to the TikTok help desk, or it might also take you to report a problem or feedback page. From there you can just send a feedback on you want to remove all of your repost at once, and once you send the feedback, then within a few hours you might fix your problem. Or just simply go with send a message, and here you need to write, I want to delete all my reposts at once, and it will guide you with some steps on how you can remove the repost or how you can delete all of your reposts at once. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.